How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make your landing page way more interactive by including a YouTube playlist. So I have this page where I'm communicating the fact that Aweber has all sorts of tutorials to help people get started and make the most out of the platform. We've created a bunch of videos in our channel on YouTube to help people get better at email marketing and connecting with their audiences in remarkable ways. If I want to include that playlist, I just copy this link, I pull in the content URL widget from here, drop that link in over here. It's going to take a minute or two, not a minute or two, a second or two. And now I have my playlist player here, including all of my videos in my playlist for folks to dig through and find the thing that really is going to help them out. I hope you use this. I hope it makes your life and your audience's lives way better. And if you use it, please let me know how it worked out in the comments.
So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry. It's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.